Pink Christmas is the latest collection from Stamperia. This is a 12 by 12 pad, and like all of theirs, there is beautiful artwork. Let me show you. In this particular one, not only are there 10 sheets, there are a total of 82 cutouts. Just beautiful. As you can see, they're all in pinks and light blues and light greens, very vintage looking. And on the back side of these cutouts, you have a plainer version. So if that's your fancy, that's just fine. And look how pretty, just gorgeous backgrounds, charming backgrounds. And then we have more of the cutouts. These are a little over 3 inches wide. And then we have on the back of it an all over pattern. Here is the deer and all little bits and pieces. So really beautiful for scrapbooking. Of course, card making, you're going to cut this up and that's going to work beautifully. Also, background. Here are some larger ones. So if you like 6 by 6 cards, this will be perfect. Again, if you're doing scrapbooking, you can cut them out and use them as a piece onto either cardstock or the printed all over papers. And again, they are plainer on the back. Now, there's Happy Christmas, just a jolly old Santa background. And then this is an envelope. So you just trim it out, and this would be the top of it because it has the greeting on it. So you just bring the bottom in, the sides in, the bottom up, and the top down. Sides in, bottom up, top down, and that will do it for you. More cutouts. And on the back side, again, a plainer version. Isn't that just beautiful? Christmas or any time. And then on the back, a smaller pattern. Here we have more and more of those 82 cutouts, just beautifully done. And even more of them on the back cover. So just lots of ways that you can use them. And in addition to this, there are chipboard die cuts. So you'll see it better on the product page, but I just wanted to show you that there are so many. As a matter of fact, there are, I think it's 49 of them, but it will be identified for you so you can see that these, if you want to use them for your pages, for your cards, or on those plainer tags, that's going to work beautifully too. So all of the imagery that is in the papers is also in the die cuts. So in fact, we've got that really nice size Santa too. So all of those, but I'm not done. There are even more. For the first time, they are doing chipboard, and this is roughly a 6 by 6 sheet. Isn't that exquisite? So, and we know that you can color them with markers. Embossing powders is one of our favorite ways to embellish them, but you can do so many things. You can just ink them and they'll be just beautiful. In addition, rice paper. That's something that Stamperia is really known for. This is the Pink Christmas round. You can see why. And also here is the deer Pink Christmas. So this makes a wonderful collection. Add ribbons, add sparklets, add anything you like, and you will absolutely love this collection right now, right in from our friends across the pond.